5 mistakes to avoid when using an angle grinder. The angle grinder is one of the most versatile tools in any workshop, but it's also one of the most dangerous if used carelessly. Today, we're going over 5 common mistakes people make with angle grinders and how to avoid them. 1. Using the wrong disc for the job. Not all discs are created equal. Cutting discs, grinding wheels, flap discs, and wire brushes each have specific uses. Using the wrong one can damage your workpiece or worse, cause the disc to shatter. Always match the disc to the task. 2. Forgetting safety gear. Angle grinders throw sparks, debris, and even broken disc fragments. Skipping safety glasses, gloves, or ear protection is a major risk. A face shield and proper PPE should never be optional. 3. Grinding without a guard. Some users remove the safety guard because it gets in the way. This is a huge mistake. The guard is designed to protect you from sparks and fragments if a disc breaks. Keep it on, your safety depends on it. 4. Applying too much force. An angle grinder is built to cut and grind with speed, not brute strength. Forcing the tool can cause kickback, overheating, or disc failure. Let the wheel do the work, steady pressure is all you need. 5. Ignoring maintenance and inspections. Worn discs, loose nuts, or clogged vents are often overlooked. But a quick inspection before use can prevent accidents and extend the life of your grinder. A well-maintained tool is always a safer tool. Avoiding these 5 mistakes will make your angle grinder safer, more effective, and much longer lasting. Respect the tool, use the right disc, and always gear up before you grind. If you're seeing this video for the first time, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever a new video drops. Be sure to check out our other videos to stay informed and maximize your knowledge. For more information on power tools or products, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.